So we're getting towards the end of this workshop. Just to recap, we started out with the history of the printed t-shirt. We talked about what makes a good t-shirt design. We talked about fabrics, inks, dyes, washes, specialty printing methods, specialty inks. We talked about the different kinds of color separations, and we did a demonstration on how to screen print your own t-shirt. If you enjoyed the workshop, please post a review. A positive review is the best way for me to get the word out about this workshop to other potential students. Be sure to check out my other classes. I have another class called Typographic Logos where I'll show you how to design a type-based logo, perfect for t-shirt design. The t-shirt design workshop is a series of workshops. This was the first one. The second one, I'll be demonstrating how to make a mixed media t-shirt design. We'll take the design made in the class and get it printed by 3 different t-shirt printers. So you'll be able to see how that design comes back actually printed on a t-shirt. It's going to be a lot of fun. To find out more about these workshops, look for the links on this page for details and special discounts. I think that covers everything. Thanks again.